So 7 plus 0.4 is and minus 0.5. So first solve this. 0.4 minus 0.5. 0.1, sign of the bigger one. So 7 minus 0.1, that is 6.9. That is the required answer. Next one, C. I thought there were two only. This third one also. So cube root of minus 216 upon 42,875 plus cube root of 64 upon 125 bracket close into cube root of 343 upon 1331. Quite easy. All the cube roots are known. So 216. Cube root of 216 is 6. But minus sign. So minus sign. 42,875. This is a bit tougher. So cube root of this is 35. We'll have to find this out. I'll show you if how to find it. Just prime factors. Then 64, that is 4. 125, that is 5. Okay, and then solve this. Okay, see the cube root of 42,875. So 5 into 8575. Find to 1715. Find to 343. Now 343 is the cube of what? 7. So cube root means this will be 5 and this will be 7. 7 5 is 35. That is the answer. So let's move on. Minus 6 by 35 plus 4 by 5 bracket close into 7 by 11. Right? So 5 sevens are 4 sevens are. Minus 6 plus 28 upon 35 into 7 by 11. So this becomes 22. 28 minus 6. 22 and sign of the bigger one upon 35 into 7 upon 11. Okay, now solve this. 11 ones are 2s are 7 ones are 5s are 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 is the required answer. Next is answer the following. A. The smallest number that should be subtracted from 130 to make it a perfect cube is. It means logically you have to find some number which is perfect cube and which is near to 130 and it should be subtracted. So it should be less than 130. So which number is less than 130 and a perfect square? Nearest number, that is 125, because 5 cube is 125. So what should be subtracted? 5. So to watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.